Find the highest common factor of 24, 42, and then 72. The question you should be asking yourself is what is the meaning of the highest common factor here? Okay? So that is your first question. And then what it means is that before you can even go to the highest one, you should know what a common factor is. What does that mean? Now, there are mostly maybe 2 ways or 3 ways of solving this one. One of them is by using the prime factorization, right? And then one of them is just find the common factors. So for simplicity, any one that you want to, you can comment on the other one. But here, let's look at a simple one. When they say you should find the common factor of something, so let me break it down. So I'm going to take 6 here. So I want to find the common factors of 6 and then let's say 12. Is that okay? 6 common factors. So what do they have in common? They have, which factor do they have in common? Is that okay? So here, what it means is I normally expand. So I'll write, I'm going to take two numbers that if I multiply them, I'm going to have the 6. Just any 2 numbers. So I have 1 and then 6 here. Is that okay? So what will be the second one? So I have maybe 2 and then 3. Right? So 2 numbers that if I multiply them, I'm going to have the number that has been given to me is what we are calling the factors. So the factors of 6 here are this. The same way you are going to find the factors of this 12. So that method, if you want to use that method in finding the highest common factor, you have to list the factors of 12, factors of 42, factors of 72, and then among those factors, which one has the highest one? And then you write it down. Is that okay? That is very simple way, and you can solve this one. Or the other way you can solve that is by using the prime factorization, as I said earlier. Which method you want to use? Make sure that you solve this thing and give me your answer in the comment section. If you are struggling to have the answer here, so let me know once again. Then I'll make a full video on how to go about this one in our YouTube channel.